Hey there, fellas. Today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that's been helping men for generations. Ever heard of Jamaican Stone? If not, you're in for a treat. Jamaican Stone is a powerful, natural remedy traditionally used by men to delay ejaculation and extend sexual pleasure. Yep, you heard that right. This little wonder helps you last longer in bed, making sure both you and your partner enjoy a more fulfilling and satisfying experience. But how does it work, you ask? It's simple. You just need to moisten the stone and apply it to the head of your penis. Wait for about 15 minutes, wash it off, and you're good to go. Easy, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Does it really work? Trust me, guys, Jamaican Stone is highly effective. It's been a trusted solution for those looking to improve their sexual performance naturally. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure, natural goodness. Whether you're looking to prolong your intimate moments or boost your sexual confidence, Jamaican Stone offers a safe and reliable way to achieve longer-lasting sex. Imagine the confidence boost, knowing you can go the distance. So, if you're ready to take your stamina to the next level, give Jamaican Stone a try. Your partner will thank you. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new product. Stay safe, stay confident, and enjoy those extended, intimate moments. That's all for today, guys. Catch you in the next video. Subtitles: Boost your stamina naturally with Jamaican Stone. Jamaican Stone. Watermark Jamaican Stone.